gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Emerald, we took on the abandoned ship, this new mobile, and we came to this route and the Weather Institute. And off screen, I battled those trainers, where I skipped them, and we are at level 39 with Nobita, and it's one level away from evolving. And yeah, what is okay? Let's go for Stomp, and you doesn't even give me enough XP, and this might be it. Nobita grew to level 40, and let's see what Nobita is evolving. Congratulations, your Nobita evolved into an Explode. Oh, that's great. What is the move? Hyper Beam. Hell yeah. I'm not gonna use Hyper Beam, guys. It's Hyper Beam, but it's physical in this game. So yeah, okay, why I'm doing that I don't know. And let's look at our Nobita. Okay, it got what? Its attack is higher than its special attack, so I made an oopsie doopsie. Oh no, let's skip. Let's put Amon at first, because Amon doesn't got enough love. I can make it a single battle, you idiots. Let's go for Fake Out. What? Oh, it had inner focus. A freaking inner focus helped it. Yuff. Okay, I should have gone for Fake Out, but whatever. A thing with Gen 3 is Ancient Power will activate Rough Skin, even though it doesn't make contact. I know that rock moves are physical in Gem 3, and so every rock move used on a rough skin Pokemon will damage it. But Rock's Ancient Power doesn't even make contact with others. So yeah. Thief. Okay, that might be useful. Okay, I'm not using Nature Power that much. Okay, it got the Oh! Come on, you mad genius! Thanks to you, we are safe. It might be an odd way of thanking you, but take this Pokemon. Okay, I'm not. Okay. W. I'm gonna name it MW. No, I should have named it another. Oh, okay, but before that, let's look at our freaking cast form. Let's deposit Justin for a little bit, and let's take our and because why did I take MW? Because it had Mystic Water, and our Amon can benefit from a Mystic Water. Where is that? Yes. Okay, let's deposit more Pokemon. Let's bring back our Justin instead of MW. MW can take on the spot of a team member. I know MNJTV likes you, but if MNJTV likes you, nobody should do it. I like you, but yeah. Okay, there's me. Ethan, where were you? Where were you? I was looking for you. How much stronger you have you got? And let me check your Pokemon. Ready with your Pokemon? Of course, you are. Go! Here you go, Ethan says Pokemon trainer. May is gonna open with her own Lombre. I had Fake Out for ya. Oh, stupid. What? I think. Oh, okay, we got an crit. Oh, shit. Rain boosted Surf, Mystic Water boosted, One Absorb. Oh, it survived. Okay. Bye bye, Marstomp. And why I'm not reading the dialogue? But we got HMO to fly now. I wanna read dialogues, guys. Okay, where is Justin? Justin Bieber. Yes. Okay, secret power, double team. I'm not gonna use double team. I hate evasive moves. You are hearing this from a man who used sand attack on opponents so many times, and we got to level 38 with Amon. Tough Amon. We are already 5 minutes in this episode, guys. I don't take on this trainer. Guys, look at these things. Look at these berries. This thing is reminding me a body part of us. But I'm not gonna say that thing, because if I say that, YouTube will monetize me so good. So I wanna be a good person. Okay, we just met Steven in the last episode, so I think we will not meet him. For now, I'll skip the fort region for you guys. And yeah, what? We meet him again? I'm just joking. Ethan, it's been a while. What? I just met you in the last episode, man. There's something here that you can't see, right? Now, if I were you, I were to use this device on the invisible obstacle. No. Rather than describing it, I just show it to you. That would be more fun. Ethan, are your Pokemon ready for the battle? Ethan, show me your true power as a trainer. Okay. A wild Kecleon appeared. Oh, you are weak to grass now. Let's use Thief. And now I made you Dark type and Surf will KO you. Why? I'm forgetting it. I enjoy seeing Pokemon and trainers who strive together. I think you are doing great. Well, let's meet again somewhere. Oh shit. We definitely need another good grass type move for our Amon, because Absorb is not cutting it. And yeah, let's take on the gym. Okay, let's put Nobita at front, because if you remember, Nobita had a super effective move. Okay, I am here, and that Kecleon fed. Guys, I'm gonna off-screen battle these trainers, but I'm gonna do this puzzle. Okay guys, I took down every trainer in this gym, and yeah, let's take this puzzle on. Okay. Okay, I matched this puzzle right at front. Okay, it can come this way. Yes, I remember this puzzle being much harder as a kid. And let's talk to Winona. I am Winona. I am the leader of the fort regime. I have become one with bird Pokemon and have soared to the skies. However, grueling in the battle, we have triumphed with grace. Witness the elegant choreography of bird Pokemon and I. Here we go, Ethan vs. Fortress City's gym leader number 6. Winona, leader Winona like to battle, and she's gonna open up with her female Swablu, which gets stomped. And Ice Beam, bye Tropius. Okay, and Protect spamming Pelipper. I'll take you out in style. Go! Hyper Beam! Even though it got a free attack off. Oh! Yes! I'll finish you in my style. Yes! Hyper Beam Chaos! Take that, Winona. Ethan received. And yeah. And we got TM40 aerial lace. That could be useful. And yeah, we took down this gym. Every 2 episodes, 1 gym. Nice. And if you guys are wondering how I'm training, I'm battling against wild Pokemon, and I'm saving my rare candies for our eventual team member in post game or before the post game, you'll see. And that's it for and that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Emerald. Peace out.